This is the Sanus Advanced Full Motion Premium Wall Mount, which fits TVs 42 to 90 inches and holds up to 125 pounds. Created for today's sleek TVs, the Advanced Full Motion Mount unites high-end performance with high-end design. Designed to blend seamlessly with TVs and decor, the Advanced Full Motion Mount was inspired by today's TVs and ultra-high-end appliances. Featuring a stylish brushed metal exterior, the Advanced Full Motion Mount is available in two distinct finishes: brushed stainless black with charcoal gray trim and brushed stainless silver with black trim. With a lower profile depth than traditional full motion mounts, the Advanced Full Motion Mount positions TVs closer to the wall, creating a more streamlined look that is reflective of the thinner profiles of TVs on the market today. Beneath the metal exterior is an ultra-strong solid steel frame that provides maximum support, ensuring your TV will stay securely in place. Expertly engineered with fluid motion design, the Advanced Full Motion Mount provides unparalleled smoothness. With fluid motion, effortlessly extend, tilt, and swivel your TV, regardless of your TV's size or thickness. The included Steady Set functionality provides increased stability, ensuring your TV screen will stay exactly where you want it. No drifting, shifting, or unwanted movement. Extend your TV for easy access to the back to quickly hook up cables. Easily conceal cables for a streamlined look. After installation, you can easily adjust your TV for perfect positioning. Included wall plate covers ensure the wall plate is hidden when the TV is extended. Hide an electrical outlet behind your mounted TV. This mount is perfect for mounting above eye level. It reduces glare from lights and windows, offers easier access to the back of your TV, protects children and pets from TV tipovers, adds space and style to your room. The mount's intuitive design ensures a clear and hassle-free setup. Enjoy the easy 3-step install. Simply attach the TV bracket to your TV, attach wall plate to your wall, and hang your TV on the wall plate. Sanus is the #1 selling TV mount brand in the US. All Sanus premium wall mounts are safety tested and UL certified and feature a 10-year warranty. And we back it up with our expert US-based customer care team, available 7 days a week. Questions? Give us a call.